Showing you a brief description of the testing methods used to test the MGS CDR. Our equipment being used is a 5 horsepower Reliance 460 volt motor being powered by a Power Flex 4 VFD Allen Bradley. And the scope we're using to measure is a Fluke 199C. The test setup right now, since there is no connected load, is for circulating current only. We have our ground lead coming off our scope, going to ground, which happens to be in the motor frame. And then our reading lead goes straight to the shaft. The shaft voltage on the unprotected motor. Ground lines here. Every line is 10 volts per division. And we can't catch the peaks very well, but if you look real close, we get between 18 and 20 volts peak. Here's a breakdown of the voltage. This gets closer up at every spike. As you see, we have a voltage buildup, and this very sharp instantaneous drop here indicates current going through the bearing. Voltage builds up, discharges instantly. Alright, now that you've seen unprotected, we're going to slide on the press-in version of the CDR. Alrighty, now that we have the CDR on here, before we had 18 to 20 volts peak. Now we have 1 volt per division. So the highest we're seeing so far was probably 1.2 from the initial 18 and 20. You saw the voltage spikes protected. Now I'll show you the breakdown of the voltage to see if you can see any discharge. Frame by frame, looks like there's noise. So with the CDR, there is no giant voltage buildups, there is no giant discharges, so we are working.